Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Here I am guys. Today I'm here with this short wig. Some of you have been asking me about this short piece, so today I'm here to show you how to do it step by step. Yeah guys, abasinga mubadde munsaba eno weave ngireese ngibaleetedde, so muginyumirwe era muwakinge video eno until the end. Guys, some of you don't know how to plant this weave, so today I'm here to show you how to plant it so nicely. Thank you for loving me, thank you for loving Nifa Faces. Please continue subscribing, continue commenting to my videos, continue watching my videos. Guys, today I've come to show you how to do this weave. Some of you don't know how to do it, but mbatsaba mulabe bulungi video eno very careful so that you can learn. Nsubira mwenna abali wano mugenda kuba omuyize eno weave. It is very difficult to make, so if you make this weave, make sure you take your time. Don't panic. Take your time as much as you want. Yeah, and sometimes you have to place small lines so that the weave can fit on the head of the client. Abasinga mugenda nga musiba eno weave ne mugenda ne musiba ebiswayiri nga binene, so ebiswayiri ebinene bisobola okubeera nga bisipacinga eno weave, and sometimes abasinga mugisiba ku biswayiri byokka. If you want to plan this weave and you want to get the good results, you must put a net. I'm going to show you the net which you will put. You see that net? If you want to plant this weave and you want to get good results, you have to put that net. It is a must. By the way, sometimes you guys, you don't know this, or some of you don't know this. Abasinga temumanyi kino, naye woba tokutaddeko net where you weave tevaayo bulungi nga weina kuvaayo. So this time around I'm here to show you how to do it. I'm here to let you know the way you can get good results through making this weave. Guys, ndoza mulaba engeri gye ntaddeko. Nsooseko neeti yange, nsoose kusiba ebiswayiri byange bulungi, nenzizaako kaneeti kange bulungi. Omakinga sure nti oba otunga tofumita client empiso, because nti eno eba neeti tekiba kiswayiri kyokka. So oba otunga, be careful when you are sewing so that you can't pinch the client. Yeah, ndowooza abasinga mubadde munsaba eno weave. Nsuubira mwenna mufunye ekyo kye mwetaaga okulaba. So some of you've been waiting for this video. I request you to watch this video until the end. You will not regret. Please continue subscribing, continue watching, like on my videos. I will not disappoint you. I'm here to let you know everything I know. Yeah, I'm here to let you know everything I know, guys. So I request you to watch this video very careful, guys. Watch this video very careful. And I think let me leave you and watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comment. It is very important to me. If you leave your comment, it is very important to me, guys. So watch this video very carefully, so if next time you come back here, you give me the good news. Thank you. Continue watching. Those enkoona abasinga mumanyi enkoona, naye enkoona eyo olina okuteekako obuviiri nga bungiko okusinziira ku buno bwe mbadde nze nteekako. Oteekako bw'oba obadde otandise n'akaviiri kamu, bubiri, kati bw'otuuka ku nkoona making sure nti oteekako obuviiri busatu oba bubiri naye ngwa like bwakumukumu. Nsuubira mukitegedde ekyo. Thank you. And you continue like that. After there, nsuubira enkoona engeri gye mbadde ngisibamu obadde ogiraba bulungi. Bambi, please watch this video carefully. By the way, I don't know how to explain too much, but I think you can see what I'm doing. When you finish that side, don't make your weave round. Come in front of the client, then sew when like tunga ngova mu maaso. Tunga ngova mu maaso. Also the way I sew, I think you can understand and you can see what I'm doing. If you make it rotate, if you rotate, it will not good. It it will not look good. So do it as I am doing. You will see the results you will get. I think we are together. Yeah. I didn't told you that this weave has a crochet for finishing, so you're going to see the way I'm finishing it with the small crochet. And some of you don't know how to finish up with the crochet, so watch carefully. You're going to see how I'm doing it with the small crochet. Yeah, even if there is no crochet, you can do it. Even if you don't have a crochet, even you can do it, because sometimes not every weaves or every type of this weave has a crochet. There is some of the weaves which doesn't have crochets. So if you get the weave which doesn't have a crochet, you can finish it without anything. But if the weave there is a crochet in the weave, you can finish it with a crochet. That is the crochet. Now I'm going to finish it so it will look nicely. Guys, this is the weave. I hope everyone has enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please continue watching my videos. I will not disappoint you. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. I love you so much, guys. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to comment the video you want me to make for you next time. Bye bye.